Hello explorers, and welcome to another unboxing review video. Today I will be reviewing the brand new Patagonia Blackhole MLC backpack, 45 liters, and this backpack is really going to be used for an quite a big upcoming trip actually. It's going to be Scotland and a little bit of Switzerland, and at the very tail end it's going to be Spain. And the weather is definitely going to be on the cooler side, which means more layers, and we needed something just a tad bit bigger to bring for the three of us. And because we're moving around so much, we did not want to bring in a check-in luggage. We wanted to just have carry-ons that were a little bit spacious. So let's get straight into it. This is the Patagonia backpack. Yes, it looks ginormous on camera. It's very spacious, but we wanted something a little bit bigger. So this is a backpack that we're going to bring along with us to carry as much as we possibly can. We are minimalists. We're a minimalist family, and we bring the fewest amount of items as we possibly can, but items that are adaptable and flexible with our, seasons and also the type of travel that we do as well. So let's get straight into it. This backpack, and I really like the MLCs as well, are really nice because they have the backpack straps that you see right over here. They have the chest clip that we are used to seeing, the little daisy chain going down the side, and a little utility loop belt right over here too. I really love the color. I'm going to mention this probably several times throughout the video, but I really love the color because it's very neutral, matches with anything, and it's good for travel. It's flexible. Right here we have a little hip belt as well, and what I discovered is this hip belt is removable. There's a little Velcro strip going right down the middle right over here. You can definitely take that out, and this hip belt attaches to the very top right over here to this connection and this connection right over here, and it becomes a little shoulder carry as well. So you have a few options. You have 1, backpack carry, 2, the shoulder strap carry. You got a handle right here, 3, and number 4, you actually have this kind of very hidden handle that goes through the luggage. So if you have an actual suitcase, it goes through it, and then it just becomes part of, pulling the suitcase along. So this is really nice. There's 4 ways to carry. Really, really great to have, just different forms, different options. So right over here, as you can see, the black hole material is very different than what it used to be. I have kind of the original black hole material, the kind of the shinier one. I'll be showing you the comparison in sizes later because they're both MLCs. But this one is a little bit more muted. Supposedly it's more sustainable for the planet as well. And it's still quite water resistant, almost waterproof. Not submersible, but waterproof. And then over here we have some compression straps on all sides, so 4 straps total. And let's get into the interior part, shall we? Before I show you the interior details of the Blackhole MLC 45 liter, I did want to mention today's sponsor. Very excited about this one. Today's sponsor is Magic Mind. So Magic Mind is kind of a brand new company. I came across them, they contacted me, and I'm very excited that they did because I am a person that suffers from brain fog. And if you're like me, throughout the day I feel kind of, I don't know, it's almost like I'm looking through a filter. Like nothing is quite that focused, things are a little bit hazy. Sometimes I have trouble remembering things, and I have usually quite a sharp mind. I would like to say that about myself. But I have a good memory, but lately it hasn't been as sharp as it used to be. Also becoming a mom has changed kind of the brain chemistry as well too. So I'm very excited about this company. They sent me a really nice pack of their magical elixirs. So as you can see just from this packaging alone, look at how beautiful that is. That is such beautiful packaging. So there's a lot going into this right over here. Sharper mind, less stress, keeping you calm and keeping you with more energy throughout the day. I really like the story right over here of James, the creator of Magic Mind, and kind of what goes into the thought process behind this product. And I really love the packaging. I'm a packaging person, so it's really nice to see the world's first mental performance elixir. Oh my goodness, this is honestly what I need. This is exactly what I need because I don't know, halfway through the day, I feel like I need some caffeine, but at the same time, I don't want to take a huge consumption of it because I feel very jittery afterwards. So I'm very excited for this product. They sent me all these amazing magic elixir bottles of Magic Mind, and it's a really nice size. It says that it'll taste even better if it's refrigerated, and I love things that are cold, especially in the heat that we're having right now. It's like an Indian summer right here in California, so I'm very excited to try this refrigerated. I'm going to be probably putting this entire pack in the fridge and enjoying it every single day. Also, I'm thinking about taking a few bottles with me. They are perfect TSA approved sizes for the bottles. I might take one for me on the big travel day when I'm at the airport. You already know how that goes. It's several hours there. And I think I will need a little bit pick me up. And also when I get to my destination, I'll probably take another little shot of it too. But it's a really nice size. I think it's going to do wonders for me because I definitely need something that is an herbal supplement, but something that will keep me calm, keep me energized, and have it be long-lasting throughout the day. So if you want to check out Magic Mind, please make sure you look in the description down below. I'll have a discount code for you. And thank you so much for Magic Mind for sponsoring this video. Let's get back into the details. So I wanted to give you a better look at the inside part of it. So let's turn this over. So there's two compartments to this beautifully big Patagonia MLC 45 liter. So here we have that clamshell opening that I was telling you about. Really nice zipper that goes all the way around. And let me take this out for a moment. This is very spacious, absolutely spacious. So here I can fit probably two quite big packing cubes, including probably a toiletry kit maybe over here. But I can definitely fit two big ones, pair of shoes. As I said before, we're minimalist, so we can definitely stuff this. And I think black hole backpacks are usually super durable and very lightweight as well for the type of size and compartments that they have. There's a mesh pocket right over here, zipper at the top. There's also another pocket over here, a little bit more concealed. MLC usually has a really nice, a very organized compartment area that is perfect, I think, for toiletries or for tech. Here we have a laptop compartment. Honestly, it could fit a laptop and a tablet. It's padded really nicely. Here's the ginormous long zipper. Very good storage right there. Super nice, and it's definitely super padded with this back part over here. Over here we have two very stretchy mesh pockets. We've got another one held by Velcro right there. Two pen loops here. We've got a little key loop here, another pocket, and of course one more mesh area right here. I feel like that could definitely fit a toiletry kit. This is perfect for your pen, passports, cell phone, whatever tech compartments you need for all your tech accessories. And of course, tablets, laptops, honestly, everything, book, it fits it all. So we are going to be enjoying this very nice and very spacious Patagonia backpack and see how it fits for our travels. We're very excited to try it because we're big Patagonia people. I'll be showing you the size comparisons in just a moment. Just so you can see, these are the two size comparisons between the 45 liter and I believe this is the 26 or 27, maybe 26 or 28 liter Patagonia MLC. This is the original older version. This is the newer version. As you can see, the textiles are very different. This is the shinier, this is the matte. They're both equally as water resistance, waterproof, and they are amazing. I've had this for quite a few years now. I've really loved MLC, so I'll probably definitely do another review on this one and show you all the compartments. But I just wanted to show you the size comparison. This is much bigger, but also very spacious in the width. And this is a little bit filled, this is empty, so you can really tell that this has a grander capacity. But we're excited to use it because both are going to be going on the trip with us for lighter, easier carry, and also not as many issues when checking in luggage. So there you have it, another great review featuring our favorite travel brand, Patagonia, and the amazing bags that they make. Hope you like this travel bag. Please like, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts. Make sure there are all the nice comments, please. Positivity only in this space. But let me know where you're traveling soon, and if there's enough people wanting to see a packing video, I would love to do that. I know it's a little bit, it is challenging just because we're going on a trip quite soon, but I would love to record that for you guys and show you what I'll be packing on the trip for myself, for Kyle, and for our little one as well. So until next time, see you soon, explorers, and thank you for our Magic Mind sponsor for this video. Bye-bye.